I'm Jeff Morrison. I'm a men's health urologist at University of Colorado and have practices at CU Urology South Denver at Highlands Ranch and also at Anschutz campus in Aurora, Colorado. It's a great question. I would start this by saying, what is testosterone? It's the quintessential men's hormone or male hormone. And so it can drive energy levels, it can drive workout performance, recovery from workouts, and then also sex drive. Okay, so that's what testosterone does. It's produced by the testicles. When it comes to low testosterone, we're talking about testosterone deficiency, which means that a man has a low testosterone level that'd be less than 300 nanograms per deciliter, measured on 2 separate morning level blood draws. Okay, that's the first part, the kind of the biochemical blood test assessment. And the second part would be symptoms of testosterone deficiency. And you really need to have both a low number and symptoms to meet the diagnosis for testosterone deficiency. So what are some of the symptoms of testosterone deficiency? Fatigue, low libido, brain fog, poor sex drive, sometimes decreased vitality, difficulty losing weight. These are some of the symptoms we see of testosterone deficiency. So the first thing I do when I'm meeting with a man with testosterone deficiency is perform a complete assessment. And I always start by talking about lifestyle optimization. So many times if we can help a guy improve his lifestyle, we can see the testosterone levels improve and kind of treat the issue without needing medication. So what does that mean, lifestyle optimization? We want guys to be working out regularly. We know that strength training specifically, the large muscle groups, can help boost testosterone levels. Sleeping well, okay, so at least 7 to 8 hours a night of sleep. And working on sleep hygiene, no screens right before bed, these types of things. Stress management's very important. And then dropping a little weight too. So caloric reduction and a healthy diet, these things can all help boost testosterone levels naturally, to hopefully mean that man may not even need pharmaceutical treatment. If a man has been diagnosed with testosterone deficiency, we've already gone through lifestyle optimization. There's not much more room to improve there, and they're starting to look at treatment options. Most common treatment is testosterone replacement therapy, which is providing that man external testosterone, typically through testosterone gels, injections, sometimes pellets, or even some oral options now, to give him an external form of testosterone. What are the side effects? Well, I tell men there's no free lunch. If we're going to give you external testosterone, it will suppress a man's internal testosterone production. What does that mean? That means testicular atrophy, infertility, okay? And then, reliance on this external form of testosterone once they've begun the treatment. Not that a man couldn't stop and then, regain his natural, but it is introducing a prescription medication into this man's life and introducing a little bit of medical complexity. But for a symptomatic man who's suffering with low testosterone, getting his testosterone normalized is absolutely life-changing and well worth it, for the men in my clinic who've opted to do this.